Yo, 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 what up YouTube BX? It's your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as Only Use Me Tomahawks. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black to the blue, my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy, so I'm back with another unboxing for you guys, and you already know the deal. Let's move that mouse out the way. Let's move this, and let me move this little thing out the way. Put this to the side as so. Put my mouse on the dock as we do that, and let's get the first package, which is right here. So you already know the deal. Let's get it. Bat knife, box, bat knife. Let's unbox this shit. So why did I get this? It's because one of my motherboards that I have do not have an ARGB or an RGB header. So this is basically for the motherboards that does not have any type of RGB on their header of the motherboard. So that's basically the 5 volt, and I believe I'm trying to remember the other volt. Oh no, it's 5 volt, and I can't remember what the other volt is. I'm not gonna even try to sit up here and try to remember it. But I don't have the I think it's a 12 volt, the 5 volt and the 12 volt. I don't have neither of it. So this right here is going to basically allow me to do it. So bat knife, box, bat knife. Let's unbox this shit. Should I do the cut or should I just? I mean, it looked like I ain't even had to really cut it because there's a peel tab right there. Yeah, it was just a peel tab. So let's go. So let's get that out the way. Sorry if I went off camera for a few seconds. Sorry about that, guys. Let's close this up so I don't hurt myself. Pick that up. Get this. If I can get it out the box. Okay, there we go. Get the cords out. Oh, there we go. I'm not really big with Razer stuff. I'm not really a Razer thing. I do have a Razer keychain and like stuff like that, but I don't really like using the Razer softwares, but it's okay. So you get the booklet. Ooh. Okay. I will rock with that. I will put it on one of my PC cases. I don't know. So let's open this up. Oh, I like the smell. Oh, that smells good. It smells like new PC, new computer. Love that smell. So here's the double-sided tape. Here's the controller, which is going to go good in the back of my case. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so I got some things I'm going to daisy chain. So basically, you got the power that goes into I believe the SATA, and the other one I believe goes into the motherboard, which is the USB part, I believe. Let me just double check. Open up this bag, and we'll be able to find out. Come on, let me in. Let me in, girl. That's right. Let me in there. All right, here we go. Yeah, I was correct. So one, oh, I like this. So one is, yeah, USB. So this goes into the USB part. That goes into there for that. And this is SATA. Well, actually Molex. Wow, they went back old school. Molex the power. And then you got USB right here. USB right here. Basically plugs in. I already know what I'm going to do. I got some fans that, I still got some extra fans that I'm going to use to daisy chain. So I'm going to wait for those to come in the mail, so I can actually use some extra ones that I have and yeah, get my thing set up. Alright guys, this is the Razer Chroma RGB Addressable header thingy jiggity. Just try to close this up a little bit. I'm not gonna do it, just need it for the thumbnail. So let's just try to get this in here like so, and put that over here, and throw some of this crap over there. Put the cords here. Put that there. Put the cords here. Put the sticker right here. I know y'all probably getting agitated with me saying that. Alright, so let's get that off to the side. Get to the side. All right. Okay, we got our thumbnail right there, and I'll catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces. One. I'm out. Peace. Deuces. One. I'm out. Holla. Okay, guys. So this is the PC right here that does not have any ARGBs or RGB headers on the motherboard. So this motherboard does have RGBs on the board. The only RGB header that's on there is for like the ROG what is it? It's the ROG RGB cords that ROG makes, which Asus make. So basically, I have to buy those particular cords to basically use RGBs on it. But for fans, there's no header for ARGBs or RGBs specifically. So let's turn on the PC real quick to show you that it does work. So let me just move the computer over real quick. Power it on. Give it a second. And there we go. Because it's Razer, it is going to come in green, and it's going to pop on in a second to the colors that I originally had it. This computer is actually the slow one because I'm actually still using a hard drive. I need to switch this over to M.2 and basically get it off the one that I had it on before. But see, as you can see right there, just switched it up. Fans up top. AIO. This is rocking with a 3060 right here. So yeah, if I go into the program, I can change up the settings and stuff like that. Like I said, this was my older PC. As you can see, I still got my old, what is it? A Vexer, blue RAM sticks right there, which is only 16 gigabytes right there. As you can see right there. So yeah. I am going to finish setting this up because it took me a while to get this thing set up and redone. For some reason, like the cord just had a little problems with it. But yeah, this is it right here. This is basically what it looks like. I'm coming from the top, right? As you can see right there, I gotta put the mesh back on top of it. Actually, no, the mesh is on it, the filter. But yeah, that's what it looks like right there. That's the second computer. Then I got another computer right there. Then I have other computers all the way over there in that corner, which is 4 of them stacked up back to back on the side, going all the way back there. I'm still building the nails. Gotta finish the build inside this one, this case right here. So yeah, I got another build that's already on my other desk. So yeah, guys, that's basically what it looks like, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.